Okay, so in a sense, you're going to take this safety clip, you're going to mount it flat on the soffit, and you're going to put a couple of these 3/4 inch zip screws into it to mount it to the soffit. Once it's on there, you're going to take the track. Okay, so you're going to take your track. You can see how that track is with the light in there. And you're going to actually figure out where that is going to break over a light. And it's going to snap onto there. And then you're going to take another screw from the back side and put it in here. And ideally, what this does is it pushes the wire out of the way. As you can see, it pushes the wire out of the way, so that if you screw on the bottom portion of this, that it's going to go into that safety clip. It's not going to go into the wire, so that makes sense. And then the track itself actually holds the light in place. I'm going to slide this down a bit there, and so it kind of snaps in there. Then you have the lips on both sides that kind of hold it in place so that light doesn't come out. That's basically how it would fit, and then it would fit like that on the soffit. That safety clip being screwed into the soffit, the track being put on the safety clip. Now if you wanted, you could just use a panhead screw and not use the safety clip. And ideally, you're going to put that panhead screw in a spot where sometimes it's better to kind of pre-put them in the track and pre-screw them in, and then that's going to come out kind of right in the spot. If you do it just a little bit past the light and towards the edge, it's going to come in a spot where you're not going to hit it with the, you're not going to hit the wire, and then it's also going to go straight into the fascia board. So most of the time your fascia has about a 1-inch lip, and then you have the fascia, and so that 2x6 or 2x4 would probably stick down to about the middle of the track here, and so when you put that in that spot, it should still hit that fascia board the majority of the time. So that's basically how that works though, and that's what the track and the light look like. So, and the safety clip kind of fitting in there.